is Laurie. I traveled here from Los Angeles, California to get treatment from Dr. Kondrot for glaucoma, which I've had for the last 15 years. I was born with vision problems. I was severely nearsighted, and I've always had issues with my vision my whole entire life. Um, After I started receiving traditional treatment for glaucoma, I ended up having to have surgery about maybe 10 years ago. And after the surgery, the trabeculectomy, I think it's called, um, my pressure was stabilized. But then when the scar tissue forms up, your pressure goes up. And a few years later, they recommended surgery again, which have had. I didn't want to do the surgery anymore. I figured that wasn't really going to help. So I started researching online, and I started taking supplements for my eyes, which seemed to help with the pressure. But I noticed that my vision was not getting better; it was getting worse. It was Things seemed darker and dimmer, and my right eye was worse than my left eye as far as vision. And I knew I had to do something, so I started researching online again, and I found Dr. Kondrot about a year ago, but I didn't come a year ago. I just decided in December that I had to do something because my vision seemed to be getting worse. So I contacted the office, I had a consultation, and that was in December, and now it's February, and I came, and I've been here for about, this is the fourth day, and I've gotten tremendous results. I noticed by day two that things seem to be getting brighter and kind of clearer, and I felt like my vision was improving somewhat. And I just got retested today, and I can actually see two or three more lines on the eye chart, which for me is absolutely fantastic. I had a feeling that this was going to be the treatment that worked for me, and it is working for me. And I definitely recommend this to anyone with glaucoma issues or any eye issues, because traditional treatment doesn't necessarily work for everybody. And I definitely think that you should look into the program for your treatment in this way. I'm really happy with the way things turned out.